Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can withdraw Bitcoin to our bank account. So for that you need to open up the crypto exchange of your choice where you have the Bitcoin. Suppose you have Bitcoin on Binance, so just open up Binance. After that, the thing is you cannot directly send Bitcoin to your bank account. First you will have to sell your Bitcoin into USD or USDT, or you can just sell Bitcoin to your country's currency. Only after that you will be able to receive the money of your currency in your bank account. So if you directly want to sell the Bitcoin for your country's currency, then you can just simply go to P2P trading, just click on it, and here select this option of sell. After that select Bitcoin and then your country's currency over here, and then search for a person who is buying Bitcoin from you and will sell you the currency of your country. Make sure that you find someone who has more than 90% completion rate. The higher the completion rate, the better it will be, and select it appropriately according to your needs and requirements, and also look for the payment options the person is giving you. So just choose the offers accordingly. So this is one way, and the another way is you sell Bitcoin in a spot market, and after that you sell it for USDT, and then you can convert that USDT into your country's currency. So this way you will be able to receive the amount of your Bitcoin in your bank account. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need the step-by-step video of telling everything in detail, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.